Welcome everyone! Today we will see how strawberry jam is made inside a modern factory.
Only the best strawberries are selected for high-quality jam. The strawberries are washed carefully to remove dirt and
The strawberries are crushed into a rich pulp.
The pulp is cooked slowly to create a thick and flavorful jam.
The pulp is cooked slowly to create a thick and flavorful jam. Sugar is added and thickened. Samples are tested to ensure perfect taste and quality.
The mixture thickens into smooth, glossy strawberry jam.